It isn't just about daratumumab, that there are not only these sort of next wave of antibodies targeting either CD38 in the form of Isatuximab, which has the possible advantage of a shorter infusion time, but also absolutely new targets like BCMA, where again antibodies there appear to be highly effective. Beyond that, we have of course the excitement of CAR T therapy. Now this is really groundbreaking as well. Clearly with using these cellular therapies that appear to generate a true immunologic platform that can drive us to disease control points that we never saw before in very advanced settings, does that mean as we bring that technology earlier, we're going to see these same cellular therapy platforms start to replace autologous transplant, for example? Will we start to see the impact of these new immunotherapeutic strategies much earlier? And I suspect we will. The other area we're going to talk about is the really striking results of checkpoint inhibition combined with immunomodulation. And again, this too appears to be really fantastic stuff in terms of outcome. And finally, you're quite right, Charlie, that it would be remiss not to say there's no progress in other areas. We have the excitement around selexinol, which is this SINE inhibitor now. Some challenges with side effects, it's very clear. But nonetheless, the proof of principle that this particular target can actually be, gone after and can actually be treated, or rather, therapeutically targeted, is very exciting. And then we have data around drugs like Venetoclax, which again shows that this targeted mutation, the 1114 translocation, can we do something about it? Apparently so. And then, of course, there's the whole space of HDAC inhibition, which continues to gather momentum with better tolerated, more targeted new agents that are oral in that setting, as well as other small molecules, and indeed further refinements of cytotoxics. So you've got these whole sort of constellation of advances being made. Immunology on the one hand, small molecule on the other. And I think, frankly, Charlie, as you point out, we're going to need them all. Because I think that myeloma is such a complex disease that to imagine that one modality alone is going to be enough, I think would be oversimplifying things tremendously.